Welcome students to Sheth Vidya Mandir English High School SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. I am Nidhi Srivastav. Today I am going to teach you General Science for 8th Standard, Chapter number 14, Measurement and Effects of Heat. Today you will learn about sources of heat, heat in everyday life, heat and temperature, temperature scales, and how to measure heat. So let us know what is heat. Heat is a form of energy which flows from an object at high temperature to an object at low temperature. Temperature of an object tells us how hot or cold that object is. Temperature of a cold object is lower than the temperature of a hot object. We have also seen that when we give heat to an object, it expands and it contracts on cooling. Also, the state of matter changes due to heat. See this image which shows heat transfer from warmer object to cooler object. Unit of heat. The unit of heat in SI system is joule, while that in CTS unit is calorie. 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.18 joule. 1 calorie heat is the heat required to increase the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Sources of heat. Sun. The sun is the biggest source of heat received by the earth. A large amount of heat is generated due to the nuclear fusion taking place in its center. In this process, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form helium nuclei, generating heat in the process. Some of it reaches the earth in the form of light and heat. Number 2, earth. As the temperature at the center of the earth is high, the earth is also a source of heat. This heat is called geothermal energy. Number 3, chemical energy. When fuels like wood, coal, petrol, etc. burn, there is chemical reaction between the fuel and oxygen. Heat is generated in these reactions. Number 4, electrical energy. In your daily life, you have seen several equipments which produce heat with the help of electricity. Example, electric press, electric heater, etc. Thus, electricity is a source of heat. Number 5, atomic energy. A huge amount of heat is produced in a very short time when the nuclei of some elements like uranium, thorium, etc. undergo fission. This is used in atomic energy projects. And number 6, air. A large amount of heat is present in the air around us. So these are the sources of heat. Next is temperature. We can find out how hot or cold an object is by touching the object. However, our sense of hot or cold is relative. Thermometer is a device for measuring temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. A thermometer measures temperature. In science, we use degrees Celsius. A liquid, usually alcohol or mercury, is sealed in a glass tube. When it's heated, it expands, thermal expansion, rising higher in the tube. When it cools, it contracts, filling less of the tube. So let us know about thermometer. We all have seen thermometer which is used at home for measuring fever. That thermometer is called clinical thermometer. A thermometer has a narrow glass tube which has a bulb at one end. The bulb and part of the tube is filled with a liquid alcohol. The rest of the volume of the tube has vacuum and its other end is closed. The bulb is kept in contact with the object whose temperature is to be measured so that its temperature becomes same as that of the object. Because of the increased temperature, the alcohol inside it expands and its level in the tube rises. Using the properties of the expansion of alcohol, the temperature can be obtained from the level of the alcohol. The tube of the thermometer is marked accordingly. This is the image of scientific thermometer and digital thermometer. Today we use digital thermometer. Specific heat. The specific heat of an object is the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of unit mass of that substance through 1 degree. This is represented by the symbol C. Its unit in SI is joule per kg degree Celsius and in CGS is calorie per gram degree Celsius. Calorimeter. A calorimeter is used to measure the heat content of an object. Using the equipment, we can measure the heat produced or absorbed in a physical or chemical process. This is the image of calorimeter. Effects of heat. When heat is given to any substance, its temperature increases and it expands. Its expansion depends on the increase in its temperature. Solids, liquids, and gases all expand on receiving heat. Thank you, dear students.